Okay. So today's topic, we are going to discuss about areas of responsibility. So there are multiple responsibility types would be there. One is HR representative, another one is payroll representative, another one is benefits representative, union representative, environment, health and safety representative. There are so many representative, means there are so many responsibility types are there. We will see one by one. Okay, let us search for, okay, we will go to home page. From there, come to my client groups. From there, go to person spotlight. Search any one person you have hired, because I don't want to waste the time again in hiring a person. Just any person. I think last time we have hired one person called Ruth Herrick. Search that particular person. So here there are a section called representative section. Okay. So what are the different types of representatives we are having? Benefits representative. So this is a responsibility type. Okay. Human resources representative, benefits representative. This is a responsibility type. Okay. Human resource representative. Mobility specialist. Mobility specialist means who will take care of all the logistics and all. Cabs and all, booking of the cabs or anything related to mobility. Employee mobility. Schedule manager. Okay. Recruitment representative, Conrad recruiter. These are the one of the important interview question. Can you explain what are the different types of responsibilities that are there in Oracle HCM Cloud applications? So what are the different types of responsibilities are there?
So these are the contact persons, right? So if you have any problem workers, we have to connect with the payroll representative.
Correct.
I mean, if you have any problem in payroll.
So these are the contact persons, but the responsibility type are different, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the responsibility type means what? So these are the different responsibility types we are having. Okay. So what are the different types of responsibilities? First we will go to, so what are the different types of responsibilities we are having? Benefits representative, disciplinary actions representative, environment, health and safety representative, HR admin, human resources representative. Okay, there are so many representatives would be there. So one is a HR means human resources representative, disciplinary action representative. Okay. I9 administrator, learning specialist, learning specialist. Okay. This comes as a part of OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud, learning representative. Okay. So recruitment representative, schedule managers, union representative, works council. So if the particular company is having any kind of unions and all, so they will be having one particular representative who will take care of all these activities, union representative. So these are all the different types of responsibilities. Okay. So these are different types of responsibilities. Here we can see by going to maintain areas of responsibility. Okay. By going to areas of responsibility, maintain areas of responsibility. So first of all, what I'll do, I'll hire one particular person. I'll hire one particular person and I'll assign one areas of responsibility for the particular person, and let us see whether the areas of responsibility is properly displaying or not for the particular person or not. Okay, we will see that one. Okay, so go to my, okay. So here I want to add email address, home address. Okay. So apart from that, I don't want to add anything. So along with this scenario only, we will cover the seniority dates also, so that the same hire will be useful for both the places. Let us take, I am hiring this employee on 2026, or let us take 20, even before that, 2010, April 1st, 2010. In the seeded data, that is a legal employer, US1, legal entity. I'm hiring the same employee in US1 legal entity in a particular business unit. So I'm using US1 business unit. Okay. I'm not going with any kind of positions and all, just make it easy rather than making scenarios complicated. First name Jennifer Chapman. Okay. She, title Mrs. Okay. Gender female. Date of birth, let us take 1/1/1985 or 75. Okay. Here I'm going to add email details. futureproof.trainings@gmail.com. Okay, just for our training purpose, use one email before creating this any kind of hire, so that it would be helpful for future downstream activities. Okay, so every time you create one email address, a standard email address for the practice purpose, and use that one. Okay, click on continue. Just add some address here. Okay, home address. Just take this one. So in Redwood, only the live address will be they will take. Just take some live address here by doing this advanced search. Now click on save button. Okay, now we are going to click on continue. Now we are coming to the important topic, the worker assignment page. So this page will take a little bit more time to load compared to other sections. Just please be patient with this page. Okay, what are the important thing we need to verify here is assignment status. Assignment status should be active, payroll eligible. Person type should be employee. Business unit. So this is the first section it is coming. So US1 business unit. Okay. So just take any particular job. Okay. Let us take a recruiter. What is his job? His job is recruiter. Okay. Some department. Okay. You select any particular department. You create your own departments. Okay. Let us take in sales department. So give all these details. Now click on continue. So we have given the basic information while hiring an employee. So just leave the contract details and all. So it's not important. Now click on submit button. This contract info is coming because of the employment model. Most probably they have kept it as two-tier, what you call single assignment, single contract. So because of that, by default it is coming as contract information, but we can change the setup. This is a setup issue only. Okay, you don't have to fill the contract information while hiring an employee. It's because of if somebody has changed the setup of the employment as a single contract, single assignment, single contract, by default it will come. Okay, now I have hired an employee. Let us see whether it is coming in the transaction console or not. Okay, this is the particular person, Jennifer Chapman. Let us see any kind of approvals or okay, it was approved by the workflow system. So before hiring an employee, what is the important thing we need to check? We need to check that the approvals are bypassed or not. Okay, I forgot to verify that one. But from your side, always check whether the approvals are bypassed or not before doing the transaction. Otherwise, it will be a waste of time for us. Okay, so it was completed. Jennifer Chapman, it was completed. So now what I have to do? So what I have to do, can anybody tell me? Go to person spotlight, Jennifer Chapman. Okay, so here we can able to see his all the information like employment information, all these things. So now what is our today's topic? We need to verify the who are the areas of responsibility for this particular person. Okay, who are the areas of responsibility for the particular person. So representative they are showing as Betty, payroll administrator. Okay, Betty is the payroll representative for this particular person. So the remaining details it's not showing. Okay. So now what is his job here? What is the job of Jennifer Chapman? What is the job of Jennifer Chapman?
Recruiter.
He's a recruiter. So now what I am going to do, I want to make this person as a areas of responsible for the recruiting. Okay, for the recruiting. What is a recruiting representative? I want to make this particular person, Jennifer Chapman, as a recruiting representative. Okay. Now go to areas of responsibility. Search for the particular person. Who is the person name? What is the person name? Jennifer Chapman. Okay, Jennifer Chapman. Jennifer. What is the person number? 8002. Yeah. So when you search the person number 8002, we are able to search Jennifer Chapman in areas of responsibility. Just now click on here. Okay. So now we came to the particular work area called areas of responsibility. Okay. What is this? What is the name of that work area? Areas of responsibility. Now we can add the responsibility either from template or directly using without a template or with a template. We will use from template, responsibility from template. Okay. So if somebody using demo areas of responsibility, we can use the same template. Or okay, we have not created any template, right? Just we will go directly with a responsibility only. Okay. So what is the responsibility here? Can anybody tell me?
HR recruiter.
Let us take sales recruiter. Okay. Sales department recruiter. Okay. It is a responsibility name, right? So for which department he is a recruiter? Sales department. So directly I'm giving the name as sales department recruiter. From when this is going to start, let us take from 2020 January 1st. Responsibility type. What is the responsibility type? What is the responsibility type? Recruitment representative. Okay, he is a recruiter, right? Jennifer Chapman is a recruiter. So responsibility type, what we have to select? Recruitment representative. Okay, to date, from when to when? Okay, let us take till he resigns, or let us take by default 2029 December 31st. This I am giving. If he has resigned, automatically it will terminate the work relationship also. Okay. So usage. So what we are going to use this responsibility type, either you want to use it for approvals or checklist. I'm going to use this for both. Okay. I'm going to use this for both approvals and checklist. We will discuss about approval and checklist. Okay. What is the usage of what is meant by usage in terms of responsibility? We will see that one later. Okay. And this is the main important thing. Responsibility scope. So what is a scope? Scope means what? Always you have to limit that particular person in which, suppose in the total enterprise, in which legal employer, in which business unit, in which department, for which location. Okay, this particular person is going to act as a recruiter. You got it right? So while hiring an employee, so for which legal employer we have hired? Ram Patel. For which legal employer we have hired this particular person? Okay. So now what I have scoped here, if there are 10 legal entities in the enterprise, so this particular person is going to act as a recruiter in which legal entity?
US1 legal entity.
US1 legal entity means we are filtering out. So out of 10, only for one particular legal entity only, he will be acting as a recruiter. Okay. Again, in that legal employer, for which business unit he is going to act as a recruiter? For which business unit?
US1 business unit.
US1 business unit. Okay. Okay, very good. So for which department?
HR department.
So we have kept it as sales department, right? Sales. Yes. So this is the areas of responsibility for which department is going to take the particular responsibility, for which business unit, which legal employer. So areas of responsibility means what? Suppose you are going to take care of all the responsibility of particular group of people for a particular recruitment objective, for the recruitment work. Okay, you have to improve the score. Suppose we cannot handle thousands and thousands of people's recruitment activities, right? You got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Suppose in a company there are 10,000 employees are there. Can you handle all 10,000 employees recruitment?
No, no, sir.
No, right? So you are having only 8 hours a day. So you have to handle any particular legal employer. Means if there is a big company like Tata Group, we cannot handle all the recruitment activities for entire Tata Group, right? So what you call in the TCS. So within the TCS, again, in which business unit, for which business unit you are going to handle. So Oracle implementation. So in Oracle implementation also, which department, whether it is HCM department or whether it is financial department or whether supply chain department. So we will scope that one so that it will filter out, so that the particular person will not be overwhelmed with all the work activities. So we are going to limit the responsibility scope. Okay. So in the sales department. Okay, sales, you remember this one. So for a particular sales department only, we are going to make this particular person called Jennifer Chapman as a areas of response. Means he is going to act as a responsible person. Okay, for the responsibility type, recruitment. Okay, a location for the Redwood City. Okay, so just remember US1 legal entity. This is the legal employer, US1 business unit. Okay, sales department. Okay, and the location is Redwood City. For this particular location only, this particular person is going to act as a recruitment representative. Okay, okay. I've given a little bit comments like Jennifer Chapman is a recruitment representative for the US1 legal entity, US1 business unit, sales department, and Redwood City. Okay. Now I'm going to click on submit button. So everybody understood how to give the responsibility scope for the particular areas of responsibility. So what is the responsibility type here? We have selected for the particular person.
Recruitment representatives.
Recruitment representative. Okay. Click on submit button. So sales, we are submitting your changes for approvals. Okay. Maybe approvals are there. Let us see areas of responsibility. We need to go to transaction console. Okay. Go to the transaction console. Go to approvals. Manage areas. Okay. It went for, okay, got it. It went for approvals. Okay. Body has enabled SOA approvals. 1 second. Okay, it is self auto approve only. No problem. Maybe it will be automatically approved. Okay. Now go to here this bell icon. Recruitment representative responsibility was assigned to you. Okay, and it was automatically approved because it's a self auto approve. Okay, so these are the notifications. Recruitment representative responsibility assignment. So this is a worklist area. We will see this one. So we have created the responsibility name. What is the responsibility name? Sales department recruiter. Responsibility type recruitment representative from 1/1/2020 to 12/31/2029. So all the work contacts related to the US1 business unit, what? Tadmore legal entity. 1 second. So something we have done mistake with this legal entity. We'll go to areas of responsibility. Search with the particular person called Jennifer Chapman. Jennifer Chapman. Jennifer. So I've selected it something wrong, Tadmer legal entity. Just I want to edit that one. So instead of for this one, what I have to select US1 legal entity. Legal entity. So now I'm going to update that one. Click on OK. US1 legal entity, US1 business unit, sales, Redwood. Now I'm going to click on submit button. Anyhow, it was approvals are bypassed. So automatically it will approved. So if you see here, the legal employer is US1 legal entity. Business unit is US1 business unit. Okay. So now I'm going to update. I'm going to click on submit. So now I'll go back to, now I'm going to hire an employee. So this time I'm not going to take all these details. Just I want to show how the areas of responsibility will work. Now click on continue. Okay. So Jennifer Chapman is areas of, means this particular person is a recruiter for which legal employer? Ram Patel. Jennifer is a recruiter for which legal employer?
US1 legal entity.
US1 legal entity. Okay. So now the scope will be useful. Just you have to focus on that one. So she is a recruiter for US1 legal entity. Okay. So why are you hiring a particular person? Hire to fill a vacant position. So now she is a recruiter for which business unit, Jansi?
US1 business unit.
US1 business unit. Okay, very good. Now click on continue. Okay. So let us take, I'm hiring one particular person. Ganesh. Okay. Ganesh Patel. Okay. Okay, I'm hiring a particular person, Ganesh Patel. Already US1 legal entity, US1 business unit completed. This is the legal employer and this is the business unit. So now this is the department, this is the location we need to select. So what is the department we need to select? Sales department. And what is the location we need to select? Redwood City. Okay, I have selected sales and I have selected Redwood City. So you don't have to give all these details. Okay, if you want to give, otherwise it's okay. Because we are testing the areas of responsibility. Whether the areas of responsibility is coming properly for the newly hired employee or not. Now click on submit button. Okay. So now just verify whether this employee has been hired properly or not. Okay. So now go to transaction console. Okay. Go to transaction console, transaction summary. Completed or in progress. So Ganesh Patel. So as of now, Ganesh Patel transaction is in progress. So let us see how much time it will take. If it is taking more time, just click on view transaction history. So automatically it will be approved. Okay. So that was approved by the workflow system. Now go to home button. Search in the person spotlight. 8003 004. Okay. So we have hired one particular employee called Ganesh Patel. Okay. So now whether who is the areas of responsible person for the recruitment for this particular Ganesh Patel? Can anybody tell me?
Sir, we haven't assigned anyone.
We have not assigned, but we have created at the legal entity level, right? Legal entity, we have created a scope that one for the particular business unit, for the particular department, for the particular location, right?
Then Jennifer, sir.
Then Jennifer, correct. So automatically it will assign Jennifer Chapman, because for each and every person, suppose you are hiring 10 employees in a particular department called sales, we cannot assign each and every person who is a representative, who is a recruitment representative, who is the benefits representative, who is the payroll representative, right? We are going to assign a responsibility type at the legal employer level, at the business unit level, at the department level, at the location level. So all these things at the job level. So if any of them are matching, or it should be all of them, it's not one, it should be under condition, then automatically here this represent under the representative section, so the particular representative will be shown. Okay, this particular for this Ganesh Patel, who is the here is a recruitment representative, Jennifer Chapman. Okay, everybody understood, right? Jansi, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Ram Patel, have you understood? Harinath, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Brahmam, have you understood? Brahmam, have you understood? Okay, so what is the assignment for today is tomorrow, everybody do the same thing for a benefits representative. Okay, and show me that one. Tomorrow I'll check. So today I'm going to upload the same video in the YouTube. You go through this video and create one person and make him as a benefits representative and assign the particular person responsibility scope and hire another person in the particular scope and verify whether the representative is coming properly under the representative sections of the second employee. Okay, so this is the assignment task, areas of responsibility assignment task. Okay, team.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so for today we are done with the class. If anyone having any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, I will wind up for the today's session.
Sir, where will be the search option in the Redwood UI page, sir?
For which one? For which one, Jansi? I didn't get your doubt actually. Who has asked me?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the classic we see one option, search option, no, sir.
Okay.
In the classic UI. So that search option where will be in the Redwood UI page?
Which one I'm asking?
Sir,
No,
when we,
he's asking global search, it seems, sir.
yes, sir, in the setup and maintenance, when we go in the classic, we see one search option, no, sir.
Global search, sir.
This one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one you're asking me, right?
Yes.
So this one automatically the page will be changed to the Redwood UI. Here the page has to change to the Redwood UI. I understood what you have asked, what you are asking me. So this particular page, the UI, they have to do the sandbox customization to change this one. There is no particular profile option to change the FSM. We need to do the sandbox customization. We will see that one in the upcoming classes. So again, we have to change back to the classic UI only, because Redwood UI is not that much great, that much useful here. So most of the transactions still we are going in the classic UI, because this is completely not a end user UI, right? So this is a implementation consultant UI. So Redwood is mainly for what? Redwood is mainly for the end users like employees and managers.
Yes.
For implementation consultant, I think it is still better rather than Redwood. Okay, anyway, we will see that one in the future class, how to connect.
Yes.
Okay. So apart from that, anyone having any doubts? First of all, have you understood the core concept of areas of responsibility? It's nothing like that. It's simple. If there is a class of 100 students are there, we will assign some particular person as a project leader, right? And for the particular project leader, we will assign some of the tasks. Okay. Similar thing here also in a particular company. If there are 200 employees are there, we will assign one person to solve the problems of the remaining people. Like suppose one person is expert in payroll, we will make that particular person as a payroll representative. If anyone or the remaining 200 employees, if they're having any kind of payroll issues, they will contact this particular payroll representative. That is called as areas of. Okay, team. Thanks for your time. Today we have completed only the areas of responsibility. Okay, now anyhow, we will see the seniority date also. So now coming to seniority dates is a simple thing only. Click on show more. Come to seniority dates. Okay, search for the particular person. So now I want to run a seniority date. Jennifer Chapman, 8002. So as of now, it was not reflected here. So we will do the reverse engineering. Okay, if there is seniority date in the left side, we can do from here itself. Okay, it's not there. Okay, we have to go to seniority dates. That would page only. Okay, there is one important thing I want to discuss here, because anyhow that seniority dates, the values are not displaying. So we need to get Jennifer Chapman, right? Okay, so in this scenario, the data is not getting reflected. The data is not getting reflected here. Jennifer Chapman is not getting reflected. So what you have to do? Can anybody tell me what you have to do in this scenario?
So we have to run a schedule like ingestion.
Very good. You have to run one particular schedule. Go to schedule process. Schedule new process. Percentile OSCS. Can anybody tell me what is meant by OSCS? What is meant by OSCS? ES's job to create index definition and perform initial ingest to OSCS. So OSCS means Oracle Cloud, or Oracle Search Cloud Service. What is meant by OSCS? Oracle Search Cloud Service. Okay, we need to run this particular process. Okay, index a name to re-ingest. So index a name to re-ingest. So I have created one particular document today. So FA HCM person. Okay. Now we will use for seniority dates. If you are unable to see any kind of issue like this, so I have created one document. I'm going to upload this document. I think I already uploaded this document in LMS portal also. I'll share this document in the WhatsApp groups. Go through this document. If you're able to see the data, then such results are not coming. So what you have to do step by step. Okay. It is taking some time. So again, come back and see whether the process become succeeded state or not. Okay. Process has to move to succeeded state. Okay. So now just anyhow, we will leave that one. Again, we will come back to seniority dates. Okay. If this particular Redwood is not working, then we will see the normal classic page, which is perfectly working. Search with 80002. That is Jennifer Chapman. Now go to here, personal and employment. Here, seniority dates. The functionality is same, only the look and feel will change. That's it. So as of now, the seniority dates has not been calculated for the Jennifer Chapman. So now click on seniority dates, the button, the recalculate seniority. It will submit one ESS process. Okay. So total how many years of experience this particular person is having? 16 years, 23 dates. Okay. 16 years, 23 dates. Okay. By legal employer. So what is the legal employer? US1 legal entity. So tomorrow we will see the seniority dates, how it is going to change when we transfer from one legal entity to another legal entity, or from one business unit to another business unit, or from one department to another department. For each department level or each legal employer level or each location level, what is the seniority dates for the same employee called Jennifer Chapman. Okay. Okay, team. Today we have completed the basics of we have completed areas of responsibility and the basics of seniority dates. Tomorrow again we will see this one in depth. Okay. Okay, team. Thanks for your time and good night.